What's going on, you guys? So this is a new unreleased song that Luke Combs posted yesterday. It's a great song, just like everything he puts out. You're going to need your capo on the first fret if you're going to play it in the same key that he does. One of the cool things about Luke Combs, and I don't know if he does this intentionally, but I'm sure you've heard the saying, 3 chords in the truth or 4 chords in the truth. Luke Combs is famous for using the same 4 chords and making a bunch of music with the same 4 chords. So the chords you're going to need for this one are your G chord, played with your first finger or your middle finger on the 6th string, which is your low E string, which will be on the 3rd fret from the capo, your first finger on the 2nd string or the 5th string on the 2nd fret, and then your bottom 2 locked on the E and the B string on that 3rd fret. So, and then you're going to need an E minor, which I play and Luke plays with his bottom 2 fingers still locked on those bottom 2 strings on that high E and that B string. So it'll sound like that. And then you use your first finger to press down on your A and your D string on the 2nd fret together. So it's kind of a cool way to play that E minor chord. You're going to need your D chord, which plays just normally. And that's it. So you'll need your G, your C add 9, E minor, and D. So for the verse, we're going to use the same 4 chords for the whole song. For the verse, your chord progression is going to be your G, your E minor, to your D, to your C add 9. And then for the chorus, you're going to do the same chords, but in a little bit different progression. You're going to do your C add 9 to your G, to your D, to your E minor. Such a cool sound. So I'll run through the first verse and the chorus for you real quick. Bear with me on the lyrics. I'm still learning them, but we'll see if we can get through it. My dearest darling, I miss you more than words can tell. I hope the gardens grow and tall. You're in good spirits and good health. We've traveled far now, with a long way to go still. I know not yet when I'll return, or if I ever will. And this is the chorus. Amidst the grips of these troubled times, way back to you, I always found you're the wind that whispers through the pines, blooming the rose, green on them vines. Until we meet again, my love sincerely signed. I'm ever yours, you're ever mine. Such a great song. Such a great song. So first verse, we'll go through it kind of slow. Strumming pattern here kind of just goes along with the beat of the music. My dearest darling. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down. My dearest darling, I miss you more than words can tell. I hope the gardens grow and tall. You're in good spirits and good health. We've traveled far now, with a long way to go still. I know not yet when I'll return, or if I ever will. Each day grows colder, filled with powder, smoke, and still I worry before it's over. I've forgotten how to feel. I keep your picture in the pocket of my coat. I sometimes find when I'm alone, it's my last bit of hope. And this, you're gonna stay on this C add 9 here for like 4 beats. Amidst the grips of these troubled times, way back to you, Great song, guys. Check this one out if you haven't already. Hope you got everything you needed from this video. Again, the chords you're going to need are going to be your G, your E minor, your D, and your C at 9. Capo on the first fret, play it in the same key that he does. And make sure to subscribe and like this video. Check my channel out for more content. And that's about it, guys. Hope you have a great day. See you later.